So we are going to see about the structured query language that is called SQL. So first thing is understand how an SQL is used to manipulate data and data structure. So when you have a database, so you can give a SQL query and you can get the result. So to study this one, we have mainly created two tables. So one is the department table, another one is a EMP table. So in the department table, you have department number, D name, and the location. And the employee table, you have employee number, name, job, hire date, salary, cell, and commission, and the department number. So I have created these two tables in Access. You can see the department table and the employee table. So here you can see the relationship between these two tables, department number and the employee. Department and the employee. Here the one department is having many employees. That is, here it is one to many. Okay. So one department will have many employees. Okay. Right. Now, so we'll start the very basic SQL commands one by one. So before I start the SQL commands, you must know the SQL syntax. Okay, so the SQL syntax is given below. That means select, from, where, group by, having, order by. So now what we have to do is we have to slowly learn the SQL commands one by one. So we'll try to learn the first SQL command. So here, how do you write the SQL is you have to go to create and you go to query design and you select SQL view and SQL view. In this area, you can type the SQL command. Okay, we'll type the first SQL command. There we type, so all, select asterisk mean no, that is all. So select all from, so we'll say from the table name. So DPT. So when you run this here, so what you can see is, you can see all the records in the department table. So what is the meaning of this is, so when you say asterisk mean all, it takes all the columns in the department table. So you see, if I run this, it will show all the department table columns. So that means it will completely show the table. So what I do is, so I will save this as, so this is a query 1. So like that, we will try all the queries. So we'll take the second query. So here, what we do is select department number. So department name, location from department. So what I do is, again, I'll go here. So I'll select create, query design, and I'll go to the SQL view. And here I'll say, so select department number. So department name, so comma location from, so department. Okay. Then when I run this one, what will happen? I can get those 3 columns here. So the earlier query, what we did is, we said select all from department. Now here, same thing, but here we are giving the column names separately. Department number, department D name, comma location. Okay, so both are actually same, but the thing is here we give all, stick mean all the columns, but here we give the 3 columns separately. So what I do is I will save this as, now I will save this as query 2. Okay, now we go for the third query. So here what we do is, we say select EMP number from EMP. So we'll try this one here. So we'll go to create. we'll go to create query design SQL view. Here I'll type here select. We'll type select. So EMP number. So from EMP. So what will happen here when you run this here? So you can see only the EMP number column will be displayed. Okay. So then yes, in the EMP table there are many columns, but you will get only EMP number here because in the SQL view, SQL query, you say select EMP number from EMP. So then when you say select EMP number from EMP, when you run this one, so you will see that only the EMP number column is displayed. So then I will say, I will save this as query 3. I'll save this as query 3. So then I will see the next query 4. In the query 4, what you do is here we select EMP number, name, hire date from EMP. So then I'll try this in the access. So I'll go to create a query design SQL view. Here I will type. So here I will type select EMP number, comma name, comma hire date from EMP. So when I run this one, you can see select EMP number, name, hire date. Those 3 columns are displayed. Okay. So here, when you see the SQL view, you can see, so this will be the output. Okay. So you can see the 3 columns. So I will save this as, when I go to save, and it is query. Oh, okay, right. So then now we'll see the query 5. When you say the query 5 here, so here, uh, ordering rows in a sequence. So now here, when you say order by, so select all from EMP, order by. So we have order by, that we are going to order by the name. Okay, so then what you do is here, so we'll go to create query design. So query SQL view. So we'll say select all from select all from EMP, the table name, where order by name. So then what happens is when you run this one, so there's a mistake I have typed. There is no where clause here. So order by name. So what happened is it is order by the name. So that means you can see here. So order by name mean, so Alan, Blake, Jones, Martin, that means it's order by the alphabetical order. So then I will say, so here I can say, so I will say, I'll save this as query 5. So hope it is clear. So here select from EMP, all from EMP, order by name. So that means it is order by the name, alphabetical order. So I will save this as query 5. So let me then, I will take the next query. So in this, here you can see next query, select asterisk from EMP, order by employee number. So select all from EMP, order by employee number. So here I'll say create query design SQL view. So I will say here select all from EMP, order by EMP number. So then you can see the output will be order by the employee number, the ascending order of the employee number. So hope it is clear. You see, it is order by the employee number. So then what I do is now I will say I'll go to SQL view and I'll save this as query 6. Okay. So then that part is done. So here, then next one is select all from EMP. Then you can see it is order by job. So what I do is here again uh, create, we'll go to the query design and SQL view. Then I'll say here, select all from EMP, order by. So order by, this time I'm going to order by what? You can see in the note, order by job. So order by job. So when you run this here, you can see this clerk will come first and the manager, salesman, like that. So then we'll save this as SQL view and save it as, say, query. It is query 7. Okay, right. Then the next query, 7 is okay. Then we'll see the 8th. Here you can see select all from EMP, order by department number. Then what will happen is you can see the output is order by the department number. So here then what I do is again I'll go to create, query design, SQL view and SQL view. Here I can say I will type here select all from EMP, order by a department, order by department number. Okay, then when I run this one, you can see it is order by the department number. You see this output, it is order by the department number. Okay, so then I will, so what I do is I'll go to SQL view and just save this. So here, so it should be saved as query 0. So that is query 8. So then next one is, we'll see. Here now what we do is, here order by department number, comma name. So then what will happen is it is first order in the department number. Within the department number, it orders the name. So you can see here, it will come like this. Within the it is order by department number. So within the department, it's ordered the Jones and the Smith. Okay. So here, then what will happen is I'll type this one and see. So I'll go to I'll go to create. Here see query design, SQL view. Here I'll type here select all from EMP. So then order by, so order, say a order by what, say order by department number, comma name. So I'll say department number, comma name. So when you run this, see, so for the easiness, I'll take the department number here to see easier. See this order by the department number. So within the department number, it's order the name. Okay. So then I will say I will save this as say query 9. Okay. Right. So then the next one, next one is the query 10. So here you can see order by name, descending order. So select a stick from EMP, order by name, descending order. So then I'll take again query design, SQL view. Here, select all from EMP, where, so sorry, order by what? Order by name, descending. Then what will happen here? You can see the names are ordered in the descending order. W comes first, Smith, Martin, like that it goes. So A will be the last one. So So then, so what I do is I will save this as so query 10. Okay. So that is the first part of the SQL. So we'll so hope it is clear. So we'll do the next one later.